Okay, we're on another review page, but this one's about decimals. So let's go ahead and review our decimals together. Again, I'm going to do one of each with you, and then you're on your own. I am going to do number one completely with you because I've noticed as I was grading your stuff, you're a little confused. The decimal sign means and. You know all of the places from the left that you've learned from third grade and second grade and so on. Remember, these are the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. Our new decimal places are to the right. And this is where you write tenths, hundredths. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Hundredths and oh, Mrs. Tiffany can't spell today. Thousandths. Remember the TH on the end. Okay, so now using that information, we're going to write. I'll do the first one with you. So let's say here, it says 9/10. That means the 9 has to go in the tenths place. So looking at my places over here, I know that means I'm going to put a decimal and then 9/10. I'll do one more with you. Let me see. Let's do letter F. 16 and 1/100th. So let me go ahead and look. It's going to be 16 and 100th. So 16, that's on the other side of the decimal. And means decimal, 1/100th. So 1 will go in the hundredths place. Well, if it goes in the hundredths place, I have to put a 0 in the tenths place. The place that you say is where you put your last number. Let's look at number 3. What you say is what you write. So this says 3 and 17/100th. So the 3 goes in front and 17/100th. Hundredth is right here. See the spaces? So I need to put 17/100th. What you say is what you write. Okay, for number 4, I'm actually not going to do letter A. I'm going to do letter D. It says 9 and 3. Uh-oh. That's 2 spaces. 1, 2. So I'm going to say hundredths. So 9 and 3/100ths. I'm going to give you another little hint. However many spaces there over here on the right side of the decimal is how many zeros will be here. Do you see how I have 2 spaces? So 2 zeros. Hopefully that helps you. Okay, look at number 5. This is the metric system. You guys know this. This is when we do deci and deca and hecto and so on and so forth. Kilo, milli, and centi. You need to take these and put them in the right spots. All right, the last section. I'm not going to do these all for you. I'm just going to explain to you. Remember to bring your decimal down. It stays exactly where it is. Once you add or subtract, all you're doing is making sure you bring the decimal down. Now with our money, if I start with money, I think I heard you say you end with money. Oh no, the last ones are the wrong direction. That means we need to write them the other direction. Mrs. Tiffany, there's no decimal after $10. Guess what though? You're going to add your decimal. Because when you are working with decimals, you have to have decimals in all the numbers you are adding or subtracting. So make sure that you line up your decimals as you do these. So again, for the letter G, you're going to line up your decimals. And then don't forget to line up your decimals. Hopefully that little review of decimals helps you out. Remember, you really need to understand the place value before you can move on to any of the other work. So double check that you understand the place value, stop, take a look at it, review it, have someone help you, give me a call, let me help you, but you need to know place value of decimals before you can do all the rest of the work. And this is really important for 5th grade.